In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 restart automatically instead of shutdown. So first go to Start and search REGEDIT. Now open the run command. In here, click on HK local machine. Now software. Now in here click on Microsoft. Now click on Windows NT. Now in here click on current version and navigate WinLogon. This one, so double click on it. Now in here double click on power down after shutdown and change the value data. So here is the 0, so you change by 1, and in your PC there is the 1, so you should change the 0, and after that click OK and restart your PC. So by this setting, this error will be fixed. So I hope this method will work for you. So please comment what your experience with this video, and thanks for watching this video.